Hello, my name is Muthuswamy. In this video, I will show you how to import contacts from a MailChimp account to a ConvertKit account. There are a couple of methods we can use to import contacts from MailChimp. The first method is export contacts from a MailChimp account to a CSV file and import the file into ConvertKit. The second method is directly connect a ConvertKit account using an API key to a MailChimp's account and then import contacts to ConvertKit. An API key contains a series of alphanumeric characters which helps ConvertKit to identify your account in MailChimp. The API key sounds technical. Don't worry, I will show you how we can get it from MailChimp shortly. First, let's import contact from MailChimp using a CSV file. Before starting, I want to review the contacts in MailChimp. I have logged into my MailChimp account. Now click on the audience icon. Then click on all contacts. Okay, we have a few contacts in my MailChimp account. I want to import these contacts to my ConvertKit account. For each contact, we have their first name, last name, email address, city, and country details. When we import these contacts to ConvertKit, we want to copy all the details from MailChimp. But by default, ConvertKit only allows 2 fields for each contact. So we need to add 3 more fields in ConvertKit before import. I will explain how to add new fields in ConvertKit shortly. Now let's go back to my MailChimp account. Now let's export these contacts. Click on Export Audience button. On the next screen, click on Export as CSV button. Okay, now we have successfully exported our contacts into a CSV file. I'm going to review the CSV file before importing. I have opened the CSV file in Google Sheets. When we export contacts from MailChimp, MailChimp exports its auditing fields as well. We may not want to use them in ConvertKit. So I'm going to delete the auditing fields. I have deleted the auditing fields. Now let's go to ConvertKit and start importing. I have logged into my ConvertKit account. Click on the subscribers menu to see the subscribers. As I mentioned earlier, by default ConvertKit allows storing only email IDs and the first name of subscribers in your account. To store additional details such as last name, city, and country, we need to add fields in ConvertKit. To add a field in ConvertKit, you need to have at least one subscriber on your account. Without a subscriber, you can't add a field in ConvertKit. In my account already, I have a subscriber and I'm going to use it. If you don't have a subscriber, you can add a subscriber quite easily. I will show you how to add a subscriber shortly. Now click on the subscribers. That will bring you to the subscriber details page. On this page, to add a new custom field, click on the Add a New Field link. Now you can enter the field name. For example, I'm going to add the field last name. The field last name is not only available to this subscriber, but also to all the subscribers that you will add to your account in the future. You can add a value to the last name field. I'm also going to add city and country fields. Finally, click on the Update Subscriber button. Now go back to our subscribers. If you don't have any subscriber, you can create one by clicking Add Subscribers. Click on the Add a Single Subscriber button. In this screen, you can enter the email address and first name of a subscriber. Then click on the Save button. Now you get an error. The error message is you must add subscriber to a form a sequence or tag. This means that we need to associate or map the subscriber that we are trying to add to a sign-up form or a sequence or a tag. You can map a sign-up form for a subscriber, but in our case this does not make sense as we are adding a subscriber manually. You can map a subscriber to a sequence. Sequences are autoresponders in which you send a series of emails to a subscriber. If you want to assign an autoresponder to a newly added subscriber, then you can use this option. In our case, we can associate a tag with the subscriber. Tagging is a technique that we can use to find targeted audience while we send email campaigns. I have already created a few tags. I'm going to use the tag offline subscribers. I'll show you how to create a tag shortly. Now click on Save button. Next, we are going to import subscribers using the CSV file that we exported from MailChimp. Before importing, let us first create a tag to associate with the import. Click on the Create Tag link button. Enter the tag name. I'm going to create a tag with the name MailChimp subscribers. Okay, now click on the Add Subscriber button. Then click on the Import a CSV link. Select the CSV file. In the next step, we are going to map the fields from the CSV file to the fields in our ConvertKit account. I'm going to map email address to email field from the CSV file, and first name to the first name field, and last name to last name, city to city, and country to country. And I'm going to select a tag for the import. We already created a tag for the import, which is MailChimp subscribers. Okay, I'm going to click Import Subscribers. It will take some time to ConvertKit import all your subscribers. You can refresh the screen to see the subscribers being added. Okay, you can see the imported subscribers here. Next, we are going to import subscribers using the API key. Before starting, we need to get the API key from MailChimp. The API key helps ConvertKit to identify our MailChimp account and then import subscriber from MailChimp. I'm going back to MailChimp. Click on the profile picture and then the account menu item. Then click on Extras and API keys. I have already created an API key and I'm going to use it. If you do not have an API key, you can create one by clicking a Create Key button here. I'm going to select this key and copy it to clipboard. Okay, now we got the API key. We are going to use the API key to import subscribers from MailChimp. For demonstration purpose, I'm going to delete the contacts that we added using a CSV file. I'm going to select all the subscribers and go to Bulk Actions. Then click Delete. Just type Do It and click on Delete Subscribers button. You can wait for a few minutes to ConvertKit delete all our subscribers. Okay, ConvertKit deleted all our subscribers. Now we are going to add contacts from MailChimp using the API key. Click on Add Subscribers button and click on Import from another provider. ConvertKit at present supports direct integration with a few email platforms. In other words, ConvertKit easily connects with these platforms to import subscribers into your ConvertKit account. ConvertKit supports direct integration with MailChimp, Drip, and Infusionsoft. If you want to import subscribers from other platforms like MailerLite, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, you need to prepare a CSV file and import it into ConvertKit. Now I'm going to select MailChimp. I already entered the API key. Now I'm going to click the Start Import button. The import may take some time, particularly if you are importing a larger list. ConvertKit will send you an email when the import is completed. You can refresh your screen and see the imported subscribers from MailChimp. Okay, I can see the new subscribers which are imported from MailChimp through API key. I hope this video gives you an idea about how to add subscribers to ConvertKit from MailChimp account. If you have any questions to add subscribers to ConvertKit, please ask in the comment section of this video. I'm happy to answer them. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon to get notification on our future videos. Thank you.